Welcome to Hub. Today we're going to be looking at the unit of social influence, and we're going to be looking at the topic of conformity, AQA AS. There's three types of conformity according to Kelman 1958. Internalization is when you accept the group norms in private and in public, so the change in opinion behavior is permanent. Identification is when you conform to the opinions or behaviors of the group because you identify with the group and want to be a part of them. This is why you change your opinions or behaviors in order to achieve this, even though you are not in agreement privately. Compliance is when you conform with others in public but not in private, so this is temporary and is dependent on group pressure. According to Gerard 1955, there are two explanations of conformity. The first one being informational social influence, which is a cognitive process that might result in internalization. This is when there is a need to be right and it results in being unsure about what is right and wrong, and so you follow the majority. This is most likely to take place in new situations where you're unclear about what is right, in a situation of crisis where decisions have to be made quickly, and when one individual is seen to be more of an expert. The second explanation of conformity is normative social influence, and this is an emotional process that may result in compliance. It is when group norms behaviors regulate our behavior, and which means that we pay attention to them because we want to gain social approval and not rejection. This is most likely to take place in situations with strangers because you're worried about rejection, with people you know as you want social approval, and in stressful situations where you need more social support. Evaluation. A strand is that there is research support for informational social influence because Lucas et al. 2006 asked students to answer easy and difficult maths questions and found greater conformity to wrong answers with the more difficult maths questions, especially if the students thought that they were bad at maths. This increases reliability. Another strength is that there is research support for normative social influence because Ash in 1951 did a line study where one card had a standard line and the other card had 3 comparison lines, and it was found that participants went with the clearly wrong answer when they had to match one of the 3 comparison lines with standard line because they felt conscious of disapproval. This increases reliability. In our next video we will be looking at Ash. However, a weakness is that individual differences in normative social influence do not impact everyone. For example, N-affiliators are not concerned about being liked and so are less impacted by normative social influence. This is not accounted for, decreasing generalizability. Another weakness is that informational and normative social influence are united and not separate because conformity reduced in Ash's study in the presence of one other dissenting participant who reduced the power of normative and informational social influence. Thus, better distinguishing factors are required. In our next video, we will look at Ash's line study, but before then, make sure you make your notes on what we've covered today. Remember to revise, rest, test and repeat yourself. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you to Canva because I made these slides using their templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon on our channel, Vision Hub. Thank you so much.